Hey friends, welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. If your heart feels heavy right now, I'm with you. Today we'll make getting over heartbreak fast real, not by pretending you don't care, but by calming the storm in your body, clearing your mind, and building momentum in days, not months. Fast means faster relief and smarter recovery. We'll use a 72-hour reset and a 7-day plan you can start today. First, accept this truth. Pain is normal, but panic is optional. Your nervous system is in alarm mode. Before fixing thoughts or texting anyone, settle your body. Do the 4-6 breath. Inhale gently through your nose for 4, exhale for 6, 10 times. Put your feet on the floor, relax your jaw, drop your shoulders. If the wave is strong, splash cool water on your face or step into daylight for 2 minutes. Then move your body for 5 to 10 minutes, walk, stretch, or do easy squats. Longer exhales and light movement flush stress chemicals fast. Relief first, decisions later. Now cut the loop that keeps reopening the wound. Make a 30-day no-contact contract with yourself. It's not a game, it's medicine for your mind. Mute or block their number and socials. Archive the chat. Move photos and gifts into a box and put it out of sight. Turn off memories, notifications. If you must send one clean message, keep it short and kind. I need space to heal and won't be in touch. Wishing you well. Then stop. Every peak re-injures you. Every day without contact makes you stronger. Give your feelings a safe container so they don't spill everywhere. Set a 10-minute feel window once a day. Sit, breathe 4-6, put a hand on your chest and tell yourself, this hurts and I can carry it. Cry if you need, write if you need. When the timer rings, stand up, drink water, step outside. You honored the pain without letting it run the whole day. That's mature healing, and it accelerates the process. Clear your head on paper, not in circles. Do a 2-minute mind dump. Write every spinning thought, memories, fears, questions, then sort it with what, so what, now what? What happened, facts only. So what meaning am I giving it? Now what, one small action that helps today? Choose kinder meanings that are also true. It ended, it hurts, and it shows me what I must require: respect, consistency, honesty. Your brain relaxes when the story gets cleaner. Refill the dopamine you lost on purpose. Heartbreak steals your joy and your routines. Replace, don't just remove. Every day for the next week, anchor 2 non-negotiables, 20 minutes outside moving your body, and 10 minutes connecting with a safe person, call, walk, tea. Add steady fuel, protein with your first meal, water every few hours, lights dimmed 60 minutes before bed. Better chemistry equals better choices. Rebuild your identity so your future feels bigger than your past. Write 2 lists: never again, non-negotiables you won't tolerate, and always now, habits and standards you'll live. Never again, explaining away disrespect, begging for effort, accepting confusion as romance. Always now, early honesty, mutual consistency, protecting my peace. Turn these into one-line identity statements. I'm a person who speaks needs early. I'm a person who values actions over promises. Read them each morning. Collect proof each evening. Here is your 72-hour heartbreak reset. Day 1, stop the bleed. Box and block. Put reminders away, mute and block, send no messages. Run the feel window, do the mind dump and what, so what, now what. Move 20 minutes outside. Eat something real. Sleep with screens low, breath slow. Tell one trusted friend, I'm going no contact for 30 days, please keep me accountable. Day 2, clean and calm. Tidy the spaces you use most: desk, bed, bathroom. Fresh sheets, open a window, light changes mood. Make your never again, always now lists. Schedule the week's anchors: 2 workouts or long walks, 1 friend date, 1 small treat that's not a trigger, new book, class, sunrise walk. Hold the feel window and the 4-6 breath. No peeking, no stalking. Day 3, move forward. Choose 1 small project that serves your future: course module, room reset, portfolio piece, simple habit. Give it a 25-45 minute focus block. Phone away, timer on, 1 window open. In the evening, write 3 wins, 2 lessons, 1 priority for tomorrow. You're building momentum. That's what fast really feels like. Next, your 7-day fast-forward plan. Every morning, do a 3-minute starter. Water, daylight, 60 seconds of movement. Then do 1 15-25 minute focus block on your project with your phone in another room. In the afternoon, walk outside for at least 10 minutes and call or voice note a safe person. In the evening, do your feel window, then close the day with 3 wins, even tiny, 2 lessons, and set one priority for tomorrow. Keep one joy appointment during the week, something that reminds your body life still has color. Repeat this rhythm for 7 days and you'll feel the ground under you again. Guard yourself from the 3 traps that slow healing. First, just one text or checking their socials. That's not closure, it's a new wound. Replace the urge with a ritual. Stand, breathe out longer than in 3 times. Text your accountability friend, "I'm choosing me," and do a 2-minute task, dishes, push-ups, journal line. Second, romanticizing only the highlights. Write a reality list of the 5 things that didn't work. Read it when nostalgia hits. Third, numbing with alcohol, junk scrolling, or rebounds. They feel fast. They make healing slow. Choose sleep, sunlight, sweat, and safe people instead. Use simple scripts so you don't negotiate with pain. To your ex once if needed, "I'm taking space to heal and won't be in touch. Please don't contact me." To mutual friends, "I'm healing, not taking sides. Please don't update me on them." To yourself when the wave hits, "I miss the idea, not the reality. Breathe, move, begin." To someone new if they push your pace, "I'm moving slowly right now. Thanks for understanding." Calm words protect your progress. If nights are the hardest, give your brain a bridge to sleep. 1 page of journaling, write the loudest thought, then answer it with a kinder truth. 2 minutes of 4-6 breathing. A short body scan, relax forehead, jaw, shoulders, hands, belly, legs. Phone outside the bedroom if possible. You're not weak, you're rewiring. A quick story to hold on to. Naya was stuck in the loop, photos, late night scrolling, no sleep. She installed the 72-hour reset. Day 1 she boxed and blocked, told a friend and walked in the sun. Day 2 she cleaned her space, wrote "never again, always now," and scheduled 2 friend walks. Day 3 she started a short course and did a 25-minute focus block. By day 7 the ache was still there, but the panic was gone. She was lighter, sleeping better, and moving forward. Fast didn't mean no pain, it meant less suffering, more progress. If your heartbreak comes with thoughts of harming yourself, zero appetite or sleep, or you feel stuck in a dark place, please add professional support. A therapist, counselor, or a local hotline can help you carry what feels too heavy. Strong people ask for help. That too is healing. Here's your move right now. Stand up, drink a glass of water, step to a window for 60 seconds of daylight, set a 10-minute timer and do the smallest step on a task that serves your future. When the timer ends, write 1 line, "I chose me." That single line is the beginning of your new chapter. Your heart will not heal by accident. It heals because you breathe, you box and block, you feel on purpose, you tell a kinder story, and you take small steps every day. Do that and you won't just get over heartbreak, you'll grow beyond it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, share it with someone who needs it, hit like, and subscribe for more calm, practical tools. Now close your screen and begin your 10-minute reset. Your peace starts today.